I was trying to stop the guy because he just kept coming up to everybody. That's why I had him on the phone. Like, look, somebody's going to happen because he won't get out of their face. He just keeps, keeps filming. People, they get pissed, man.
Yeah, I just, well, you saw him harassing people over there, right?
I didn't see him harassing people over there, but I know that he, but I'd have to get Bobby Joe, probably,
yeah,
probably on the other employees over
Bobby Joe.
They probably.
Okay. All right, thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. He's harassing everybody.
I was watching, next thing I know, he went to go try to do that with the camera. He knocks the camera out.
How close did he get with the camera? Was it
like he was with you guys?
Okay, so he wasn't at a safe distance. He wasn't this far. He was right in his face.
Don't put your hands on me, dude.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you one time. Get.
That man assaulted me.
I don't believe that at all. I got too many people to say the other story.
It's on video.
Too bad. Too bad. I'm going off my witnesses. You understand? Where are the cameras at? Do you have any cameras?
I don't know if it's gonna get. Okay. I mean, I can't go ahead and like.
Sir, you said your kids were in the car with you?
Yes, sir.
How old are they?
10 and 11.
10 and 11. Hey, bud, do you want to write a statement? Can they write?
No, they don't need to write nothing.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
You need
okay. Hey, girls, were you in the truck when that happened? Were you guys in the truck with your dad? What happened? What'd you guys see?
He was like recording the back of our dad's truck.
So he was at the back of the truck, and then what do you do?
No, he was recording something over here, and then my dad said something, and then he walked. And then, oops. And then, my dad kept saying something, and then, our dad kept saying that he kept harassing his husband.
It's your First Amendment right, sir. Sexual?
His wife.
Your mom was there too?
No, our mom was at work.
Oh, at her, okay.
And then the guy kept recording our dad's truck. Our dad got out of the car and told him to stop. And then he just kept recording it, and then our dad kept blocking the camera because the dude was recording my dad, and then our dad held the camera, and so then it went record, and then the dude brought a tablet or something like that, and then started recording, and then our dad slapped it out of his hand because the guy was still recording our dad, and then that's whenever the guy bit him, and that's whenever we had to go inside.
You see the guy throw a punch at your dad?
Yeah, that's as soon as he did that, it first.
Okay. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
What's your name? Yes.
No,
You
I
just
was
hanging out?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
checking up on them.
You said there was other people in here that saw it?
I think they did it, and I don't know who did it at that back table.
Just sit tight for me, okay?
Whose fault was it?
Huh?
Whose fault was it?
The guy with the...
With the sign?
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Hey, mind you.
You guys don't want to get involved?
Oh, I'm just wondering.
Don't concern you.
Okay.